Is there a short contains function for lists? How do I check if a list XS contains an item? Use also inverse operation. It works fine for lists, tuples, sets and dicts, check keys. Note that this is an ON operation in lists and tuples, but an O1 operation in sets and dicts.
In addition to what other have said, you may also be interested to know that what in does is to call the list._contains_ method, that you can define on any class you write and can get extremely handy to use Python at his full extent. A dumb use may be:
I came up with this one-liner recently for getting true if a list contains any number of occurrences of an item, or false if it contains no occurrences or nothing at all. Using next ... gives this a default return value, false, and means it should run significantly faster than running the whole list comprehension. List underscore does underscore contain equals next true for item in list underscore to underscore test if item equals test underscore item, false.
The list method index will return -1 if the item is not present, and will return the index of the item in the list if it is present. Alternatively, in an if statement you can do the following. You can also check if an element is not in a list with the following if statement.
If you want to say more, please consider subscribing.